On this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the battery on a late 2010 MacBook Pro. These are the tools you will need, but before you begin, make sure to shut off your computer. Flip your computer upside down and remove all the screws using the Phillips screwdriver. There are 3 screws holding the battery in place. We will need to remove these 3 screws by using the tri-point screwdriver. After you have removed all the screws, unplug the battery from the motherboard. As you can clearly see, this battery needed to be replaced. Having the batteries next to each other shows how much of a difference there is between the two of them. The new one is very thin compared to the old one. The new battery will slide into place at an angle because of these 3 points. Once the battery is seated into place, go ahead and connect the cable to the motherboard. Screw down the 3 tri-point screws that hold the battery down and place the back cover on the computer. Remember that the longer screws go towards the back, and the shorter ones go on the sides and front. Screw down all the screws back into their place. You are basically done. It's now time to flip the computer over. Hold down the power button and let the computer boot up normally. Thanks for watching this video.